it's my birthday, and I can't think of a better way to celebrate than to give away a little something, something. So this is my very first giveaway. The next one will be happening at 10K. And so this is my first time using the YouTube comment picker, but it was super simple. I just went ahead and dropped that URL in the code, and it told me how many comments I have. We have a whopping 26 comments. And then you just go on over and you start the process for the raffle. And again, this is my first time, so it took me a minute to figure out where on earth the start button was, but then I found it. It's over here. And it goes and it kind of does it does a random generator. Just hit start, and then look at all those lovely people who participated. Shout out to everybody. But the winner is BJ Bridges 77, which is going to be fun because she really does love singing to the pink. And so I'm super, super, super happy for her. I will be reaching out to her. She can reach out to me via email, Facebook, Instagram. I have them all, and they are all listed. Congratulations to BJ Bridges, and I will catch you guys all on the next one. If you haven't done so already, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.